GE3171 Problem Solving and Python Programming Laboratory Exercise number 5A Implementing Application Using Sets. Before doing this implementation, let's see what is set and what are the operations used in set. Sets are used to store multiple items in a single variable. A set is a collection which is unordered, unchangeable and unindexed. Duplicates are not allowed. That is, unchangeable means the set items are unchangeable, but you can remove items and add new items. First, create a set. This set is a single variable, right? Here we are going to store multiple items. Chassis, engine, clutch, screen pillar. These are all multiple items which is stored in single variable. Then next, print set. The output is screen pillar, clutch, engine, chassis. You can think our order is chassis, engine, clutch, screen pillar, but the output is in different way. That is, it is unordered. So the item will appear in random order. Okay, remember that set is unordered. The next, how to find the length of the set. First, the set is created with the multiple items, and next print len of. That variable wants to be displayed here. So len of set, output is 5. While calculating the length of a set, it will start from 1. So chassis is 1, engine is 2, clutch is 3, screen pillar is 4 and dash panel is 5. So the output is 5. Next, how to access the items in the set. Set is created with the multiple items, gearbox, axle, wheel arch. Then for loop is used here. For x is another one variable. You can give any name for this variable. In set colon, the next print x. The multiple item which is stored in the set, it will be called one by one and it will be stored one by one in the x variable and then it will be printed. So iteratively it will be happen up to the last item. So the output is axle, gearbox, wheel arch. Don't forget, set is unordered. So the item will appear in a random order. How to add items in the set. Once a set is created, you cannot change its item, but you can add the new items. So first, set is created. Set is equal to gearbox, axle, wheel arch. The next, use the add operation. Set dot add off. New item is added, that is battery. The next, print add items in the set. The next, print set. So the output is add items in the set. Axle, battery is added, gearbox, wheel arch. Next, update of method. Here we need to create new two sets. Okay, the first set is chassis, engine, clutch, and set 2 is screen pillar, dash panel. The next, set 1 dot update of set 2. Here to add the items from another set into the current set, use the update of method. Next, print add items from another set. Print set 1. Okay. So you'll get the output dash panel, chassis, clutch, screen pillar, engine. Next one, update of method, that is first set is created, then list is created. List is created with the square bracket. Okay, the next set dot update of list. So here, by using this update of method, that does not have to be a set. It can be any iterable object like tuples, list, dictionaries. So here in this program we use a list. So it is updated and prints it. So the output is brake, engine, transmission, battery and axle. Next one, remove item. Set is created. Variable name is set3, which is equal to axle, engine, transmission. This is a multiple items. Here we need to remove some particular items. We want to mention that item. Set3 dot remove of engine is mentioned here. The next print remove items in the set. Print set3. After engine is removed, it will be displayed. The remaining items will be displayed. Output is transmission, axle. Next, discard of method. Here set is created with the multiple items. Then set4 dot discard of axle. The next, print discard items in the set. Print set4. So the output is discard items in the set is transmission, engine is printed. If the item to remove or discard, if it is not present, if it is not exit, then the remove method and discard method will raise the error. Next one, pop-off method. You can also use this pop-off method to remove an item. But this method will remove the last item. Remember that sets are unordered. So you will not know what item gets removed. See the program. Set 5. The variable name is set 5, which is equal to chassis, engine, clutch, dash panel. This is a multiple items which is stored in the single variable. The next x is equal to set 5 dot pop off. The pop method is called. The next print pop operation, print x. After the last item is popped, it will be stored in the variable x. So that it is called, that is a print x. So the output is pop operation clutch. Clutch is popped. Next one, the clear off method, which empties the set. Set is created with the multiple items. Set dot clear off. Then print clear operation. Print set. Output is clear operation. The empty set is printed. Set off. Okay. The next, del. Del is used to delete the complete set. So set is created with the multiple item chassis, engine, clutch, screen pillar. And next, delete. Delete this set. Del this set means the overall set will be deleted. Then looping. The variable name is set 5. Multiple items are chassis, engine, clutch, screen pillar, dash panel. Print for looping. Next, for x is a variable in set 5 colon, which is present in set 5. One by one it will be stored in x variable and it will be printed. Print x. So first engine will be printed, then chassis, clutch, screen pillar, dash panel. This set is unordered. So we don't know what will be called and what will be displayed. Okay. Next, join two sets. Set 1 is created, set 2 is created, and set 3 is equal to set 1 dot union of set 2. This union of method returns a new set with all the items from both the sets. Okay. So print set 3 means all the items will be displayed in the output. Output is engine, 1, 2, screen pillar, 3, clutch. The next, update of method. This is used to insert the items in set 2 into set 1. Okay. So set 1 is created with the multiple items engine, clutch, screen pillar. Set 2, 1, 2, 3 is stored. Now set 1 dot update of set 2. Then print set 1. Output is 1 engine, 2, 3 clutch, screen pillar. The important note is both the union and update of method will exclude any duplicate items. The duplicate items will not be printed. Next one, intersection underscore update of method. This method will keep only the items that are present in both the sets. That is, keep only duplicates. So X variable stores multiple items, that is engine, clutch, screen pillar, and Y variable stores screen pillar, dash panel. Next, X dot intersection underscore update of Y. Print X. So which is same, which is duplicate, that is screen pillar, is present in both the variable. Output is screen pillar. Next one, symmetric underscore difference underscore update of method. This method keep all but not the duplicates. This method keep only the elements that are not present in both the sets. So you can see the program. X is equal to engine, clutch, screen pillar. These are all multiple items which is stored in X variable. And next, Y variable stores axle, engine, transmission. So here the duplicate is engine, right, which is present in both the variable. X dot symmetric underscore difference underscore update of Y. Print X. So the output is clutch, axle, screen pillar, transmission. The engine will not be printed. Next one, symmetric underscore difference of method. This method will return a new set that contains only the elements that are not present in both the sets. So let's see the program. X variable stores multiple items, that is engine, clutch, screen pillar, and Y variable stores axle, engine, transmission. Z is equal to X dot symmetric underscore difference of Y. Print Z. So the output is axle, clutch, screen pillar, and transmission. Engine is present in both the variable, so it is not printed. I hope you all understood all the operation which is used in set. Let's see the lab program. Exercise number 5A, implementing real-time or technical application using sets. A, to write a Python program to implement components of an automobile using sets. Algorithm, step 1, start the program. Step 2, create a set. Step 3, add of function is used to add new elements in a set. Step 4, update of method used to add any iterable objects. Step 5, update of method used to add items from another set. Step 6, remove of method and discard of method used to remove the items. Step 7, pop of method used to delete the last item. Step 8, stop the program. Let's see the program. First set is created with a curly bracket. This set is a variable name and the elements are chassis, engine, clutch, screen pillar, dash panel. Okay, then it will be printed. You will get the output. The next, how to find the length of the set. We use a len function. And next, looping is used here to accessing the file. The next, add of method is used. The set is created and next the battery is added. Side by side you can see the output. Then it will be very easy to understand. Next, update of method is used. Next, remove of engine. Some particular item wants to be deleted, means you can use that remove of method. Discard of, it is also presenting the same one. You can see the output here. Remove items means that engine will be removed. The next, same axle is removed from the set. Okay. The next one, pop off method, which is used to delete the last element. Next, clear off method. Clear off method which clears all the elements which is present in the set. The empty set will be placed in the output. The next, del off function. This function will delete the overall set. Then looping, for loop is used here. Set is created and it will be stored in the variable set5. Next, for x in set of 5. X is a variable. All the elements one by one it will be stored in x variable and it will be printed up to the last one. Next, union of method. The next, update of method. The next, intersection underscore update of method. Then finally, symmetric underscore difference underscore update of method. This will keep all but not the duplicates. And next one, to set is created, then z is equal to x dot symmetric underscore difference of y. So print symmetric underscore difference method, then print z will be printed. So you can get the output, that is screen pillar, axle, clutch, transmission. Let's see the execution part in Python. Open the Python IDLE, type IDLE, enter. The IDLE file will be opened. Then click the file. If you want to type a new program, means click the new file and here you can type it. Okay. Then click the file, save. Here already I have stored. So click file, open. You can select the path. After selected the path, you can click, already it is stored in the name of set. So I click that, click open, the file will be opened. So this is a set program file. All the operations are stored here. Okay. First create the set and find the length of the set. Then for loop is used to access the items which is present in the set. Then add method is used. Update the list. Remove of method is used. Discard, pop method, clear method. Then deleting. Then for loop, once again the looping method is used here. Then union, update of, intersection underscore update, symmetric underscore difference underscore update of method is used. And next finally symmetric underscore difference. After typed all the program, then click run module. It will be executed. Okay. First the list is created, then length and everything, all the operations are executed. Result. Thus the Python program to implement components of an automobile using sets was written and executed successfully. I hope you all understood the concept of sets and all the methods which is used in sets. Before doing any program, first study the logic and methods, then start doing the program. Then only it will be easy to you all. Thank you.